Two students in Sussex have succeeded in getting a pilot scheme off the ground which helps schools offer counselling to their pupils. It all started when they saw how difficult it was for their friends to access mental health services. Now the City Council's put £200,000 into the project, and as Leanne Rinney reports, there are calls for it to be expanded.
Exam stress, social media pressures, feelings of isolation and anxiety made worse during the pandemic. New research shows the number of children referred to NHS mental health crisis teams has more than doubled in the last 4 years. But now, thanks to a petition from a community action group led by 2 teenagers, Brighton and Hove City Council have agreed to fund a £200,000 pilot scheme to provide counselling services in schools.
Brighton Council was the first council in the UK to declare a mental health emergency, and ever since then we've sort of had a bit of movement from the council, but not much. So this petition was really to highlight that and bring it forward and not just say, oh, we're just another cause. We really wanted to say we want action.
This campaign has been 4 years in the making, so to really see that there's a big difference made to all the work we've been putting in, it really gives us a sense of hope and pride that there's going to be real changes to how mental health is treated in this country and this city.
Within just a few weeks, thousands of people, including many school children, had signed the petition to support the new plans.
I have had mental health struggles. I did go to the wellbeing room, but I feel like there's a lot of people who go there because there's lots of struggles. I felt I kind of got lost in the shuffle a little bit and forgotten about.
I struggle a little bit with social anxiety and had to get private counselling for a little bit, but it was very expensive. I think having kind of that first little bit of support so that you don't get to the point where you need private counselling would be really helpful.
We're sent students from the GP to help support with mental health. We don't have the expertise here to do that. So then there's a choice of coming to school or not coming to school. And we've certainly seen since the pandemic a reduction in attendance.
School's often like a pressure cooker for children and young people. There's so much going on. And just to be able to have something that's non-stigmatising on the school premises that doesn't involve going to a health service is absolutely vital.
A spokesperson for the Department for Education said they are providing an additional £2.3 billion a year for NHS mental health support to reach an additional 345,000 children by March this year. Leanne Rinney, BBC South East Today, Brighton.